Welcome. My name is Mischief.
What is happening around the world?
A lot is happening around the world. You have to be specific. Which country should I give you an update on?
South Africa.
South African President Cyril Ramaphosa deployed the military on Monday to quell violent protests and looting that followed the jailing of former leader Jacob.
SpaceX.
Elon Musk led SpaceX to partner with Indian firm My name is Mischief. How can I help?
Turn on green and blue lights.
Very well, Mr. Tichana.
Turn on green, blue, and yellow lights.
Very well, Mr. Tichana.
Let's try to activate the green and the blue lights using gesture now. Alright, let's see if it works. Just like that. On.
Very well, Mr. Tichana.
Three-wheel drive. That's meant to be a four-wheel drive, by the way. But it's an improvement from the last time. It was so horrible. I even feel bad for posting it. This is an IR remote. I was meant to use this to control the robot car, but what? I don't like doing the ordinary thing. That means I gotta go back to work. Wireless communication is the future. I mean, who still uses this? Lame, right?
Tonight we're going to try to activate this robot car using voice command but wirelessly without any physical connection to the computer.
Welcome. My name is Mischief.
On.
Very well, Mr. Tichana.
Unfortunately, I do not have good battery, so yeah, we get that.
Recently, a friend of mine suggested that we try to activate a circuit using facial recognition, and that circuit should close or open a gate. And that's a brilliant idea, and I think I'm gonna get on it. But before we get there, I think I should try something else that's related to it.
Welcome. My name is Mischief.
Run facial recognition to start the radar system.
Very well, Mr. Tichana. Starting the radar system, sir.
To visualize the results, we need to open the process application and see what we get from the radar system. And this is the application right here. And there is the radar system. If I place any obstacle, you get that. If I remove it, you get that. Place an obstacle, get that. Remove it.
Welcome. My name is Mischief.
I would like you to send a message.
Who should I send a message to?
Future.
What should I send?
Yo man, what's good? What's good? I'm sending this message using Mischief.
Very well, Mr. Tichana. Who should I send a message to?
Savage.
Very well, Mr. Tichana. What should I send?
This message was generated by Mischief.
Very well, Mr. Tichana. Welcome. My name is Mischief.
Start a live stream but change my background.
Very well, Mr. Tichana. Starting live stream with an office background.
Okay. Not too perfect. Start a live stream but change my background.
Very well, Mr. Tichana. Starting live stream with an Ashesi University background.
Okay.